Hi everybody, it's Anne here from positivelypapercraft.co.uk and I'm back with another tutorial, and today I really like this. This was just something I was playing around with for like swaps and Happy Mail, whatever, little gifts and things, and I came up with this, which the idea is it's supposed to be like, you know, those clipboard folders you get. So it opens up and the actual, this bit here is made from chipboard. So it's nice and sturdy. And then obviously it's got the little folder. So the idea is you could put like, see, a little bag of little die cuts or goodies or whatever. They just clip on. There's a pocket here which you could put some more gifts in, and then on the back there's another pocket there which I've just cut out some tags, and I love it. I think it's a really sweet little idea to gift some Happy Mail, whatever you want to put in it. Now when I made this, I then thought, oh, I've got an idea. We could laminate the folder just to make it more durable. So you can laminate it, you don't have to. This one obviously isn't laminated, so the one we're going to make today we're going to laminate. Alright, so you just need a piece of an A4 laminate pocket. So I've got all the pieces ready, so I've already got the laminate pocket ready as well. So the piece for the outside of our folder, pardon me, needs to measure 10.5 by 7 inches. And we need to score it. If I can find my scoreboard. I'll just use the trimmer. So we need to score this on the long side at 5 inches and 5.5 inches. So 5.5. Okay, so that's going to be the front cover. And then, as I said, we are going to laminate it, so I'm just going to fold and burnish it first. Then we are going to run it through the laminator. So there we go, there's our little folder. So I'm going to take the laminating pocket and I'm just going to pop it in. Okay, and I'm just going to run this straight through the laminator and I will be back when it's done. Okay, so I've laminated the cover now. So what we're going to do is I've got a piece of chipboard which will kind of act as the little clipboard, which needs to measure 6 3/8 by 4 3/8. And I've got a piece of designer paper to cover it. Now, your paper really needs to measure 7 3/8 by 5 3/8, and then score all 4 sides at 1/2 inch. But I had cut mine wrong, and this was the last bit I had, so mine isn't that size, but that's what it needs to be. 7 3/8 by 5 3/8, scored at 1/2 inch on all 4 sides. Okay, so we're going to attach this to the paper. So I've already put some double-sided tape on. Okay, and then I'm just going to put this in here like this, and then I've already put tape as well around the sides, but before I do that I'm just gonna trim these corners off. And then I'm going to stick this onto the chipboard. And then I'm just going to push those little corners in. Just so it makes it nice and neat. Okay, so that is our little board covered, which is going to get stuck to the cover, so we need some more tape. So I'm just going to put a few pieces running down the back. Okay, and then I'm going to peel the back off, and then we are going to stick this onto the folder. Now you don't want it too low because our little clip is going to just get clipped on to act as, you know, to clip your little bits and pieces on, whatever you're putting in it. So I'm going to put it higher so it's more closer to the top, and it's really sturdy now. And then our little clip just goes on there, which makes it look like a little clipboard. And what I did on the other one was I just punched a little hole, because that kind of hides the clip. So I just took a 1-inch punch and I just took just a little bit out, not too much. Just like that, okay. And then we've got a couple of pockets to make, so we want one in the inside. Both of the pockets need to measure 5 3/4 by 3 3/4, and you need to score 3 sides at 1/2 inch. So I'm just going to fold and burnish them. And then we've got a little square in the bottom corners, so I'm just going to remove the square. Okay, and then I'm going to put tape down the 2 sides. And then also tape along the bottom. So I'm going to peel the tape. Before I do that, I'm just going to punch a little finger hole in the middle of the pocket. Just peel the tape off the sides and then tuck them in and then press the bottom on, and that will hold the bottom, and that's what gives you your little pocket. So this one is going to go just on the inside of the sleeve and get it in the right blooming place. Okay, so there is first pocket there, and then I want the other pocket on the back. And just do the same again. You want tape down the sides. I'm going to punch another little hole. Just peel the tape off and then just stick that bottom one to them. And then, as I said, this one is going to go on the back. There we go. I love this, I think it's just so sweet. And this one, I just used this butterfly to decorate it, which I got sent in a swap actually. This time I've cut a stitched square, and I've got a Thankful Thoughts stamp set, and I'm going to use Your Generosity is Second Only to Your Fabulosity, and I'm going to ink it up with black Memento ink. And I'm going to stamp this. It's not even straight. There we go. And that's going to go on the front of my little clipboard. Just pop that on there. And then I've just got some little bits and pieces to put in it. So again, I just cut out some little tags, which I'm going to pop them ones in the back pocket. And just some little gems that I'm going to put in the front pocket. And then I'm just going to steal this little bag of goodies for inside. And there we go, gorgeous little clipboard type project, which, as I said, I think is great for happy mail, friend mail, whatever you want to use it for swaps and stuff. And there is the original one that I made, which this one isn't laminated. So you can laminate it or just leave it, it's up to you. So thanks for watching. I'll be back at the weekend with another video, and also a giveaway. I'll be doing a giveaway for reaching 25,000 subscribers, so make sure you tune in for that. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye for now.